Have you ever wondered what to do or what to say when you're sitting with a loved one who is dying? Perhaps you are sitting with someone who is very dear to you, and you know that they will be leaving their body behind soon. Although our spirits are eternal, you may feel the need to be comforted yourself, to have gentle words and images ease this time, and you know that your friend does too. In the quiet of your moments together, you can share visions of sailing into the light. Be assured that your dear one hears you. They may be able to recall memories of past accomplishments, or envision a gentle transition into a future that is filled with love and reunions with others who have gone before. They can have calm feelings elicited by imagining a sailboat floating on peaceful seas, hearing soft goodbyes and loving welcomes from a distant shore. Reassure your precious one with a story of a light-filled voyage into a welcoming land, a homecoming of peace and joy.